Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to join creator memberships on Buy Me a Coffee. So if you'd like to support a creator and unlock the membership benefits, then just follow along. First, visit the creator's Buy Me a Coffee page using the website or the link they've shared. Then sign into your existing Buy Me a Coffee account or create one if you don't already have an account. Next, select the membership tab on the creators page and browse the available membership tiers and compare the benefits included with each one. Then choose the tier you'd like to join, then enter your payment information and confirm your membership. And once your payment is successful, you'll immediately gain access to any exclusive posts, updates, downloads, or other perks included in your membership. You can also manage, upgrade, or cancel your membership later from your Buy Me a Coffee account settings. So that was how to join creator memberships on Buy Me a Coffee. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.